My child, you have made monumental changes to redirect your life, challenging everything you once knew, remolding the trauma and pain into positive affirmations. You are now free and an inspiration to those who have only been able to make small changes here and there. The universe has set you on a path to inspire others as a beacon of hope. It's time to switch off from the disruptive noise around you. What was once a customary norm is no longer suitable for your soul and getting in the way of what the universe has planned for you. Once you disconnect, your new energy will allow you to conquer challenges most would not be able to. You don't need to do anything out of the ordinary. But you must make sure you don't slip back into old habits. Type yes if you believe and also subscribe the channel. Thank you all for your love and support. Thank you.